Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add multiple items to your inventory at once using bulk upload. Let's get started. From the inventory screen, tap on the bulk upload card. This opens the bulk upload screen. If your business has tax enabled, first tap Download Tax Information CSV. This file contains all available tax codes for your country. You'll need these codes when filling your item template. If tax is not enabled, skip this step. Tap Download Sample CSV Template. This template has all the required columns: item name, unit, sale price, purchase price, stock, category, and tax code. Keep this file. You'll fill it with your items. Open the template in any spreadsheet app like Google Sheets or Excel. Fill in your items row by row. Item name is required. Unit like pieces, kg, or liters. Sale price and purchase price. Initial stock quantity, category for organization, tax code from the tax information file, if applicable, important validations, don't change column headers, enter only numbers for prices, no currency symbols, use exact tax codes from the downloaded tax file, save as CSV format only, return to the bulk upload screen, tap Upload Bulk Items CSV. On success, you'll see a confirmation message and all items are added to your inventory. If there's an error, you'll see what went wrong, like invalid tax codes, missing required fields, or wrong format. Fix the issues in your CSV and upload again. That's it. Download the template, fill your items with correct data, and upload. Perfect for adding your entire product catalog at once or migrating from another system. Start using bulk upload today. Download TreeBills, available on Android and iOS. Thanks for watching.